Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. This video is meant specifically for C-level executives, marketing managers, directors of the SME sector and public sector companies having a business or a division turnover of more than 100 crore plus. Also for entrepreneurs with early stage investments into their business. This video will help you to understand and define your brand personality, which is utmost important for any marketing and advertising communication. This is Chandan, Techno Digital Marketing Expert. I have been associated with the digital marketing for more than 20 years now and helped many organizations to plan and execute their digital marketing campaigns successfully. I hope you will like this video. I request you to please leave your comments and feedback. Thank you. My question to you is, who are you as a brand? Who are you to your customers? Who are you to your associates? Who are you to your employees? Who are you to your investors? You should pause this video and write down these answers first and then continue watching this video. Maybe it is very tough to answer these simple questions. Have you written down the answers? Well, let's see you are correct in answering who you are. A famous psychologist, Carl Jung, theorized that humans use symbolism to more easily understand complex concepts. As a result of his research, Jung said there are many forms or images of a collective nature which occur particularly all over the earth as constituents of needs and at the same time as individual products of unconscious. There are 12 personality archetypes. These archetypes are imprinted and hardwired into our psyches. They symbolize a human's basic motivations and come with their own set of values, meanings, and personality traits. Jung suggested that although people have multiple personality attributes, one trait is always dominant and leads to subsequent desires and drives. These categories exhibits personality traits that are easily understood and in case of brands, by customers and by companies looking to define their customers' audiences. When properly identified, brand archetypes will reflect the personality of brands and serves to better align personality types with specific customer personas. As it applies to brand, this idea of archetypes is fairly universal and may be particularly effective as an orienting tool for brand managers looking to focus the efforts of their team. To bring your brand's personality visible, you must need to understand your brand's archetype, which are the driving characteristics that define your organization. There are 12 main brand archetypes. They are divided in 4 main categories depending on their way of life. The first category is freedom. Following brand archetypes yearn for paradise: the innocent brand, the philosopher or the sage brand, and the explorer brand. The second category is ego. These brands leave a mark on the world. Hero brand, magician brand, and the outlaw, also known as a rebel brand. The third category is social. These brands are connected to the others with emotions. First is everyman or a citizen brand, the jester brand, and the lover brand. The fourth category is order. These brands want to provide structure to the world. Ruler brand, caregiver brand, and creator. Let's look at few examples. The innocent brand. They are 100% genuine. They exhibit happiness, goodness, optimism, safety, romance, and youth. Example brands are Dove soap and Coca-Cola.
My name is Renaira Panjwani. I'm a commercial pilot. I've been flying in the past 4 years now. It's fun, obviously, but along with it, there's a lot of pressure. And there are days when I have to wake up at 6 in the morning and I come back home at 12 at night, which is obviously affecting every part of my body, including my skin and my hair. The only basic things I do is I use a good face wash and I try and moisturize my skin as much as possible. I had no clue what this was till the end. Till we opened the box, I kid you not, we did not know this was a soap.
the philosopher or the sage brand. They are I ponder, therefore I am. They are committed to helping the world gain deeper insights and wisdom. The sage brand serves as the thoughtful mentor or advisor. Example brands are Google, MIT University, Idea 4G.
हमने तुमको देखा तुमने हमको देखा ऐसे अरे हमने तुमको देखा तुमने हमको देखा अरे हमने तुमको देखा तुमने हमको देखा ऐसे
The Explorer brand. They are always game for adventure. These brands find inspiration in travel, risk, discovery, and a thrill of a new experience. Example brands are Jeep, Mahindra, MRF, etc.
We live young, we live free, we are the living, we are the living.
The Hero brand. It's all about the greater good. They are on a mission to make the world a better place. The hero is courageous, bold, and inspirational. Example brands are BMW, Duracell, IPL, Nike, etc.
जिंदगी के इस खेल में साथ हैं हम बांट के कम करे पार इन मुश्किलों को न करो आंखें नम चुनो सही मंजिलों को दो आवाज हो जहां से सुनेंगे हम सभी को एकजुट रहो करो देश को सलाम सारा देश है खिलाड़ी साझेदारी है कमाल इस परेशानी का सीधा है जवाब लौटेंगे बेहतर न मानेंगे हम हार तुझको है जान प्यारी तो ले ले जिम्मेदारी लंबा चलेगा खेल रहेगी जंग जारी पड़ेगा हर बार भारी कर सेहत से यारी जिंदगी की ये पारी जीतेंगे बारी बारी अब मिलकर ही सामना करेंगे ये वाली मैच सब साथ में लड़ेंगे सब हो जाएगा ठीक रखो दूरियां समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया आएंगे हम वापस
The Magician brand. Experience the transformation. They wish to create something special and make dream come to reality. The magician is seen as a visionary and spiritual. Example brands are Apple, Disney, HCL, Win, etc.
पता है तुम्हें खुद की बेकरी शुरू करनी थी
लेकिन इस घर के कामकाज से वक्त ही नहीं मिला खुद की पहचान बनाने का पहचान बर्तन तो हो गए
इतनी जल्दी
मतलब अभी वक्त है खुद की पहचान बनाने का
अब मम्मी की खुद की बेकरी
अरे वाह
विन चिकनाई हटाए तेजी से ताकि आप वक्त बचाए पहचान बनाए
The Rebel. The Rebel brand. Back to the bone, but in a good way. They question the authority and break the rules. The Rebel craves rebellion and revolution. Example brands are Virgin, Harley Davidson, Diesel, Pepsi, Sprite.
बेटा मजनू कॉलेज में साथ बाहर भी साथ कहो तो शादी करवा दे
अबे शादी कराने का इतना ही शौक है यार तो मेरी करा दे इनकी पढ़ाई क्यों बिगाड़ रहा है
अब एक लड़का लड़की साथ बैठकर बायोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं क्या कभी
नहीं ह्यूमन बॉडी में कितनी हड्डियां हैं 206 गिनवा हूं
The Everyman, also known as a citizen brand. They are just like you. They seek connection and belongings. It is recognized as supportive, faithful, and down to earth. Example brands are IKEA, Hero Motorbike, and Amazon.
दिल धीरे धीरे धड़के आज फिर होने को है आगाज सफर पर चलने का बढ़ने का इतना है हौसला जितना भी फासला मंजिल ने मिल ही जाना है
Jester brand. They are funny, brings joy to the world through humor, fun, irreverence, and often likes to make some mischief. Example brands are Bingo, Old Spice, Mentos, M&M.
दद्दू
मेंटोस दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
The Lover brand. They celebrate togetherness. These brands create intimate moments, inspires love, passion, romance, and commitment. Example brands are Manyavar and Victoria's Secret.
मैं वचन देता हूँ कि महीने के 15 दिन खाना मैं बनाऊंगा.
और मैं वचन देती हूँ कि जैसा भी बनाओगे खा लूंगी. मैं वचन देती हूँ कि तुम्हारे सारे सीक्रेट्स पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्ट करके अपने दिल में रखूंगी. मैं भी.
नए रिश्ते नए वादे. मान्यवर मोहित.
The Ruler brand. The world at my feet. They create order from the chaos. The ruler is typically controlling and they are stern, yet responsible and organized. Example brands are Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Amex.
It seems like it was yesterday when I first decided to dedicate my life to the game. But that's the thing about time. It's an opportunity, a shot to carve your legacy. I know that when the time is right, I will have given it my all. Until then, I will keep going.
The Caregiver brand. They will protect you, protects and cares for others. They are compassionate, nurturing, and generous. Example brands are Johnson & Johnson and Dettol.
With every touch, I feel like I'm blessed with so much. That's why only Johnson's Cotton Touch. Made with natural cotton. Designed for zero irritation. Its softness you've never experienced before. The new Johnson's Cotton Touch.
The Creator brand. They are connecting dreams to a reality. They are imaginative, inventive, and driven to build things of enduring meaning and value. Example brands are Lego, Adobe, Vodafone, Samsung Galaxy, etc.
I love my mama very much because she's always there for me, even when she can't.
Hi Tara. I love you, Tara. I love you so much.
मुड़ के तुझको देखूं, तू खड़ी है ना, फिर चलूं या गिरूं, क्या फिक्र है माँ. Hi Mama.
Hi Tara.
Is it going to rain today?
Yes, Tara. Don't forget your umbrella.
Thank you, Mama.
Love you, Tara.
तुझको देखूं तू खड़ी है ना.
Knowing your brand archetype will help you to meet a number of different business and communication objectives. You will know who you are and what you stand for. You can create deeper emotional connections. You can tell your story. You can encourage brand loyalty. You can also drive product development. Again, I'm going to ask you the same question. Who are you? I hope you have liked this video. I request you to please leave your comments and feedback. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you.